with its literal sense, emphasizes a barangay where Talisay trees thrive well. Though Barangay Talisay's primary occupation of the fox is fishing, most of the fathers were trained well on how to catch fish even in their childhood days. Even mothers will also try to sew Roman fish nets. This kind of practices have been passed down through generations. Though this kind of occupation demands courage, hardship, patience, and struggles in living, Talisayans gradually achieve good developments. We are proud to reveal that 98% of the families have sent their children to school, which led them to become professionals and eventually find good jobs. We Talisayans are indeed resilient and dignified people. We are also one with Anda's goal in achieving ultimate success. Besides this, we are 100% in supporting the local government unit in preserving our cultural and traditional identities. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the manifestation where we Talisayans stand as one for united Anda. We are so determined to succeed. Mga saya o awit atong ipasundaya, grasya sa langit atong pagdawakon. Hallelujah! Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pit Señor!
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy with skies of gray. You never knew, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy with skies of gray. You never knew, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Pilipin sa Pilipin, naso sa kadagat na nagkakuha, obis na patindaghan. Ibaligyan sa merkado sa Anda. Pagkana ko siyang halin, pagkana ko siyang halin, makabuhin na pamilya. Maghang salamat, O Santo Niño, way sukod ng gugma mo. Ikaw ang hari, akong Diyos, ang inabuhi ko. Santo Niño, salamat, Jesus.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to our second batch of performers,